Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Explainer Videos, Chapter 23, AUTOSUM function in Excel. The AUTOSUM function in Excel is a convenient tool designed to quickly calculate the sum of a range of cells. This function is especially useful in corporate finance for rapidly aggregating financial data, such as totals for expenses, revenues, or any other numerical data. To use AUTOSUM, you simply select the cell where you want the total to appear and click the AUTOSUM button on the toolbar or type =sum, followed by selecting the range of cells you wish to add. Excel automatically identifies and suggests the range of cells to sum based on adjacent data, which you can adjust if needed. Once confirmed, Excel computes the total and displays it in the selected cell. AUTOSUM is ideal for quickly summarizing data without manually typing formulas. For example, you can use it to total monthly expenses, calculate quarterly revenue, or aggregate annual financial figures. Its ease of use makes it a fundamental tool for efficient financial analysis and reporting, helping you to quickly obtain and update sums as your data changes. By integrating AUTOSUM into your financial workflows, you streamline data aggregation and improve the accuracy of your financial summaries and reports.